Boy name is Viva Rock. I dance for WizardZ Krew. In middle school, I got involved with some of my friends and we started breakdancing, which also known as b-boying. We used to practice in the garage at school during lunch at the grass. Now we're at, the Parks and Recreation Center, so which is better. The good thing about breakdancing is that it keeps me off the streets, like the gangs, the drugs. It keeps me disciplined and it keeps me healthy. Well, one of the first main issue that I faced when I started dancing is my family, my parents actually, because when they first saw it, they don't know what it was, but they title it as gang related. Now that I've been doing it for a couple years now, they actually understand what it is. The difference between a gangster and a breakdancer is that, a breakdancer has a lot more to offer. We have a positive role in the community, even though we don't have that much exposure. We always teach, encourage, and we're always doing something positive to the community. But as a gang, you're always out there causing trouble and putting everybody in danger, Transportation was the hardest part when I started dancing. The only transportation we got was our legs, we just walked. We do get a lot of attention, even though we're just dancing, we always get an audience watching us, a crowd yelling. We encourage each other, we support each other, and we help each other through hard times, and also there's a lot of respect in our environment. And this is the environment that you don't see every day. To become a breakdancer, you don't need much. From my experience, you basically need self-determination, a radio, of course, and some music, and a place to dance. Breakdancing, it's a great sport, it's affordable, and it keeps you out of trouble.